This is Kingspoint Parkway, South Star. As I said, this is the Uraeus almond rock crown, showing that the Kingspoint Parkway is created as the Uraeus that sat between the signs, the gold-faced signs, that you only see the top of the bottom of the Uraeus itself. And it goes up into, connects up into Millennium Boulevard, which itself becomes the Uraeus, with Millennium Boulevard and the Millennium Mall itself. The mall at Millennium becomes the birth of the Uraeus, the spirit. As you see the crown points, just as you see the crown points here. And then the snake, the Cobra, Uraeus, a female, that sits in the head, the center, just as it sits between International Drive, Sanic Road, Currency and Sanic Road. Well, this didn't exist in 1996. Now it does, showing you this here. In the background, you can see the wheel, the Amun Ra, the symbol. You can see back down on the other buildings the same way. Crown Point. That's as it says on the sign. Crown Points. No coincidence. Coming forth by day, coming forth by night. Just as the sign right here. This is where I'm standing, right there.